Good morning. Ratio and rates 2G. Let's learn some things. Or it may end up being some review. Which of the following correctly models the number of red gumballs is 5/3 the number of white gumballs? Well, let's talk about some things. If red comes first in the sentence, it will be to the top. And if white comes second, it will be to the bottom. So there must be 3 white and 5 red. Oh, not 3 white. Not 3 white. Ooh, 3 white. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red. 1, 2, oh, not 3 white. That must be my only option. It's always good to check all the options in case more than one could be right. The duration of 2 films is modeled below. Duration means how long it is, like how long it takes, and films are just basically movies, right? So which one's longer? Yeah, that's right, film B. How long is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And film A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, the ratio of the length of film A to the length of film B. Oh, film A came first, then film B. The length of film A is first, to the length of film B. The length of film B is 7 to the length of film A. Okay, first one on top, second one on the bottom. All right, Sammy and Caden want to go fishing and use live shrimp as bait. Sammy brought 8 more shrimp than Caden. When they combined their shrimp, they had 32 shrimp. Okay, let's do some work. We're not even going to read the question here. Let's just figure out what's going on. So we got Sammy and Caden. And they each brought shrimp, but Sammy brought more shrimp. So I'm going to make Sammy's line longer than Caden. And I'm putting this mark here to just mark where they would both be same. All right, now in total, they had 32. Okay. Now, Sammy brought 8 more shrimp. So anything that's bigger than Caden in Sammy's line, all of that must be worth 8. So now, how much is left? Oh, how much is left? A subtraction problem. 32 minus 8 is 24. So they must split that 24. Split. Divide by 2, or divide by how many there are. 24 divided by 2 is 12. So these boxes must be worth 12. So how many did Caden bring? Caden brought 12. How many did Sammy bring? 12 plus 8, 20. How many shrimp did each boy bring? Sammy brought 20, Caden brought 12. What was the ratio of Sammy to Caden? Sammy to Caden. Oh, we just did that, 20 to 12. Express the number of shrimp Sammy brought as a fraction to the number of shrimp Caden brought. Okay, so Sammy's first, so Sammy's number goes on top or the bottom? That's right, on the top. And Caden, 12. What is the ratio of the number of shrimp Sammy brought? Well, he brought 20 to the total. Oh, total, 32. That was in the question. What fraction of the total shrimp did Sammy bring? How'd I know to put the 32 below? Oh, it gets confusing because of the total shrimp. Okay. Look at these words up here when we made this other fraction. Of the. All right, little tricky. Let's see what else. A food company that produces peanut butter decides to try out a new version of its peanut butter that is extra crunchy, using twice the number of peanut chunks as normal. The company hosts a sampling of its new product at grocery stores and finds out that 5 out of every 9 customers prefer the new Extra Crunchy. Well, I'm going to say Extra Crunchy total and regular crunchy. Extra crunchy, let's see, 5 out of 9 customers prefer the extra crunchy. 5 out of 9. So if we know 5 people like the extra crunchy and there are 9 people total, well, how many people liked the regular crunchy? 9 minus 5 is 4. All right, let's use this information to try to solve these. The ratio of the number preferring the new extra crunchy to the total number. Okay, extra crunchy was 5, total was 9. The ratio of the number preferring regular crunchy, we've said that's regular, to the total number, regular was 4, total was 9. Do you see how doing that work up here and just writing down what was in the question in a mathematical way really helps us? The ratio of the number preferring regular crunchy to the number preferring the new extra crunchy, R to E. R was 4, E was 5. The ratio of the number preferring the new extra crunchy to the number preferring the regular crunchy. 5 to 4. Awesome. So let's use the value of each ratio to make a multiplicative comparison. Hang with me. It sounds scary. It's not that bad. For each of the ratios we describe, the number preferring new extra crunchy is blank of the total number surveyed. Ooh, there's that of the. Boom. Total number surveyed. Prefer the new extra crunchy. That's your multiplicative comparison. It's a fraction. The number preferring regular crunchy to total. Regular crunchy was 4, total was 9. The number preferring regular crunchy to those preferring the new extra crunchy. Okay, 4 on top, 5 on the bottom. The number preferring new extra crunchy, E, to those preferring regular crunchy, R, 5 to 4. All right, last one I'm going to help you with today, and then you can get working. If the company is planning to produce 90,000 containers of crunchy peanut butter, that would be in total. How many of these containers should be the new extra crunchy, and how many should be the regular crunchy? Well, let's figure some things out. Regular, extra, total. We said 4 to 5 to 9. Remember that from the top of the page. We're just rewriting it here because we need it. Now we're saying the total is 90,000. What? We need to figure out how many extra and how many regular crunchy peanut butters they need to make. So we've got to look for a relationship. Here's what we're looking for. How do you get from 9 to 90,000? Times by 10,000. And if I times the 9 by 10,000, what do I have to times the 5 by? That's right, 10,000. If I times the 9 by 10,000 and the 5 by 10,000, what do I times the 4 by? Also 10,000. Okay, so they made 40,000 containers of regular crunchy, 50,000 containers of extra crunchy for 90,000 total containers. All right, so you'll finish exercise 2 and then do the problem set. Good luck.